Okay, now I'm going to show you the Mission Delta here, which is the wave enhancer. This little guy makes it to where you don't have to list the boat, which means basically you don't have to tilt it to one side. When you're filling up your ballast in the boat, you make sure the boat's completely even, to where normally in the past you'd have to, tilt it one way or the other. With this, you don't have to do that. So this guy installs on the side of the boat, but it installs with this little plate facing forward and on the opposite side of the surfer. So if you've got a guy surfing on this side, this guy goes on the back this side. If you got someone over there, flip it over, goes on that side. These little suction cups, pretty self-explanatory. Keep them up, stick it on the side. This obviously isn't where this is going to go. You know what, I'm just going to show you. Let's just show you. Clearly going to have to lean over the boat, but it's pretty easy. But the best place for this guy is right under this Tige symbol. And I usually like to go about right there. There's a little groove here, a little ledge, about right there. The key factor here is this guy needs to be underwater, a few inches below the water line. So, depending on how much weight you have in the boat, you might need to move this up or down a little bit. But generally speaking, a good rule of thumb is a few inches below the water line and as far back as it'll go. So about right there is good. And these guys will just clamp down. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but they clamp down pretty easily. And that one's not on there, but clamp down pretty easily. And when you get a good seal on there, this thing won't go anywhere. Just keep in mind that to remember to take this off when you're done, or you'll lose it. If you go up to speed, 20 miles an hour or so, this thing will fly off. And you'll lose it. It does float, so if it does happen to come off for some reason, you can definitely go looking for it. But I wouldn't recommend it because it's $400. So, but I would definitely recommend this. You're not going to get a better wave any other way than with this one. So it's pretty simple to work. Just stick it on and you're good to go.